Good morning. I'm trying to be very careful. I am on my way to the Container Store and Bed Bath & Beyond because we have a client for the next 3 days. I'm gonna try to turn without my camera moving. Can it do it? Can it do it? It did it, yay. So anyway, so yeah, we have a client today. We are working on the pantry and kitchen today. We're gonna try to hit the bathroom if we have some time. I feel like we can hit the bathroom today because, okay, just work for me, please. So this client, she actually has a closet pantry, so literally just open it up. The only issue is, as any apartment renter knows, or even owner, is the pantries are really deep, so it's very difficult for her to properly organize her stuff or even place her stuff in her pantry because it's so deep. So the goal is to add some type of drawer, well, not really drawer. So if it wasn't a rental, I would have added drawers because there's so many like add-on drawers, but because it's a rental and the pantry has wire shelves, you can't really add on a drawer. So I'm gonna add large bins and sit them vertically so she can pull them out. And I think about 2 can fit on each shelf. I think I bought about 4. So I kind of had to work around that. Also, she only has 4 shelves, which usually I see 5. So when there's 5 shelves, it's really easy to organize different categories on each shelf. But because there's 4, I'm gonna have to mix in some categories. So I've been thinking about different configurations, and I think I got a few. So I'm just gonna kind of go in there and just figure it out. I feel like even if I have a plan, I still figure it out. That's just part of the creative part of organizing, which I absolutely love. Anywho, that was a long-winded intro to this video, but oh man, I gotta get gas. I hate getting gas. I've been waiting here for like 10 minutes. Actually, 2 trains just passed by. So this is a lot, but I'm gonna have to text my client and let her know that there's a train that's stopping me. I'm sure she understands, but yeah. So this is where we're at now. There's Sarah. So here it is. All it needs now are labels. So I'm working on putting all this in these 2 bins. These bins are from Target. Home room essentials. They're really great, structured. So these are definitely better than these, especially when it comes to toys, because you see how these are stretched out, loses its form. These will stay the same for a long time because, as you know, kids grab. This doesn't really work. Hello and good morning. These batteries are dead. Thankfully, I had an extra spare of battery, that is. So anyway, this morning we are on our way. Well, I'm saying we, but I mean, I'm by myself in my car. But we are going to a client's house. We're going to be working on their pantry and kitchen today, which should take about 5 hours. That's what we have on the schedule today. And then tomorrow, we're going to come back and work on her daughter's bedroom closet and then her son's bedroom closet the next day, or maybe the same day. I've scheduled these sessions within 3 days. So these sessions will be 3 days to focus on the high priority spaces, and then most likely we're going to come back and then work on the least priority, or at least high priority, or low priority space. Come on, for the love of life. But anyway, you cannot see me, but you can kind of. So yeah, that's gonna happen today. I am very excited because this woman is an amazing woman, amazing mother. So I'm excited to organize her home. She actually just had some cosmetic work on her kitchen and cosmetic work. It seems surgical, but on her kitchen and pantry. I don't know if she painted her pantry, but her kitchen. So it's much brighter now. So I'm excited to see it. The last time I saw it was, let me make sure I'm going towards the right direction. Last time I saw it, okay, I'm going the opposite way, right? So her kitchen is much brighter now. And then I hadn't seen her pantry, which is funny, because it was like blocked off because they were painting the kitchen. So it's all a surprise. I assume it is a walk-in because she told me it was a walk-in, and we've done so many walk-ins, so I kind of have an idea of what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys the products we got. I got some new type of bins that I have not used in the space ever, so I'm super excited to show you guys them, even though I've used something really similar in my pantry and in other pantries, but Target has them. They were $3 less. No, they were like, there's no way, they were like $10 less, right? Because the Tosca bins are usually like, are they like 20 bucks, $25? Crazy. But I have a lot of things in the back of me. I picked up everything yesterday except for this one bin that I'm going to pick up at a completely opposite Target. So hopefully they have it. No, not they, hopefully they will have it. I'm trying to get there as soon as possible because I have to go to another the complete opposite side to go to her home. Hopefully I'm not too late. I think I'll be at this Target in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, the next 5-ish minutes. Then I can tell them I'm there. They can pick it, put it in my car, and then I head over to her space. Literally go the opposite way, but whatever. This is what happens when you don't check the address. So I'm at Target, so hello. So I'll see you guys in a few. So I want to show you guys what we're going to do to this space. We're literally just going to add drawer dividers. You watch my video, I've mentioned drawer dividers. I actually got these from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they're inexpensive. So. I added this. So I had to move some stuff, but it's added. Beautiful these are. Target $10. They're usually like 25 minutes. So we are working on creating, well, not creating labels, but writing down the different labels. Here's Sarah. So this is what we have so far. We're going to add labels, and you know labels is going to transform the space, but this is what it is right now. Unfortunately, this guy doesn't want to stay down, so we have tape on it. hopefully it stays. Anyway, alrighty. But that's it for today. So I'm gonna do labels at home as always, so that I don't have to waste the client's time. And we'll be back. Y'all know where I'm at. So I had to pick up a few things just to complete the pantry and the kitchen. So I basically just have it here. I guess I'll show it to you guys. Duh. So I just have more of these plastic bins, which are great for cabinets. And then an extra OXO bin canister, and then the extra cereal one. So I'm actually thinking of getting one of these for her lids. I might add one or two. I'll add two and see what happens from there, because I really do like those for lids. I saw that she needed those. What else? What else? Oh, I'm also going to pick up some bin clips, so some labels, and also there was something else I wanted to pick up. Oh, I have some hangers to pick up, so got a few things to add to this list, and I'm going to do it now. So